Hello guys. In today's tutorial, I'll show you how to enable dark mode on TikTok. This can help you to save your battery life. Watch the video till the end. It's easy. First, open the App Store or Google Play Store and check if TikTok is updated. If not, click on Update. After that, go to TikTok. On the down right corner you can see the profile icon. Click. When we click you can see your profile page. In the top right corner click on Hamburger menu. A list of options will open. Click on Settings and Privacy. Now you can see various options. Scroll down and find the option called Display. Click on Dark. If you ever want to go back to the light theme, you can come here and set it whenever you want. Go back to the profile page. Now you have enabled dark mode for your TikTok. That would be it for this video. Follow us for more tutorials like this. See you in the next video.